die, sir.
Pew.
I missed.
Pew.
How am I missing? Oh god! I hit him for so much. Stupid chicken. I didn't mean to, Blu Bolt. I'm sorry. Your hitbox is just so big. I just see F3B. Holy crap! His hitbox is right. Wait, I hit his wing. I hit his wings. Oh, dude, I did not mean to do that. I did not get to hit his wings. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, so many eggs, man. So, Blue hits dragon, blames chicken. I do blame that chicken. I didn't mean to hit Blu Bolt. I wanted to hit the baby chicken because it escaped the pen. And then I hit him by accident. I'm like, oh god, what have I done? I didn't want to hit Blu Bolt. I wanted to hit the baby chicken, and then I hit Blu Bolt by accident by trying to hit the chicken. I fully blame the chicken in that situation. I fully blame the chicken in that situation. He made me hurt my dragon. I wonder how many eggs are backed up in this thing. I'm that chicken's lawyer. My client did nothing wrong. And I'm the dragon's lawyer. That chicken did something very wrong. I'm the chicken's lawyer. You got that, my friend? I'm the man who will watch over this dragon and make sure that his trial goes the right way. Whether that chicken did nothing wrong in your eyes or not, the dragon says otherwise. And the dragon is my client. I'm gonna hatch more chickens to do more wrong to my dragon. Oh my gosh, man. Whew. I wonder if entity cramming will ever take place in this thing. Like, I have yet to hear chickens die in this thing. I don't think entity cramming can take place in a 3x3 area. Yeet. My client was just sitting there and you hit the dragon with zero influence from the chicken. The chicken escaped the compound, therefore the chicken had to pay the price. So, the price was death. The chicken's price was paid by the blade that struck Blu Bolt. He's awake! Good lord, he's loud. He mad. So my client was born into slavery and escaping Sleeping was a crime? You monster. Oh my god. Well, when you put it that way. Holy crap. This got really dark way too fast. That got really dark way too fast. Blu Bolt, I need you to come back into your Pokeball. Yoink. What do you want to show me, little sister? You're little. It's actually kind of cool. Just don't crack it, or else the water's gonna fall out of it.
But look at the screen.
Ooh, yeah, you drop that, that phone breaks. If I am right, you must build a grave for that chicken. Gosh darn it. Fine. I'll make a grave for the chicken. I need this. I need this. I need a feather. Oh, hello, Frick Boy. No thank you. You stay away from my base. You're dead, boy. Ooh. Looting applies to the sword blade. Or to the thingy. That's cool. Okay, so we're gonna build... Let's build it... here. There. I made your gravestone. Okay, Night Striker. There we go. I need to cook food. And bop. I need coal in that furnace. Yoink. Oop. You're full. Oh, crab meat. Dope. Check your recipe book. I literally have made crab meat before. Why is it telling me that now? I've literally made crab meat before. That seems like such a pointless thing to tell me now. Okay, fine. Meat. Oh wow, it's made by campfires or only a furnace, which is irritating. My client also wants $1 million US for slander and and court costs. Oh my god. Wait, how much is gold worth? Or are diamonds worth more? Oh my god, I'm doing this for the freaking meme. Wait, I know the best way to do it. Hold on. There it is. Let's see, I gotta freaking Google this information now, man. I gotta Google it all. Let's see. How much are diamonds worth? How much are diamonds worth? Ranked best price. Diamond value chart. Let's look at this one. Blue Nile. The 4 C's of diamonds. No, I'm not gonna send you stuff. Leave me alone. Cut, color, clarity, and carat. Clarity and carat weight. Shape. Okay, but like, that doesn't answer my question. So let's look at this. Okay, so let's just assume. Let's just assume that what the crap? I just want to know like a basic rounded price for diamonds, okay? I don't want to purchase diamonds. I don't want to like go buy a ring for a fiance that I don't freaking have. I want to know. Okay, here we go. Here it is. So let's just go for like a 1 carat diamond. Let's just say 1 carat diamond, and price per carat for a 1 carat diamond can range from $1,910 to $15,650. Dude, holy crap. So let's see. You said $1 million US for Schlander and a court cost? Okay. So I need to figure out how much. Because let's see. I have how many diamonds right now? 2 stacks and 20. So how much is that? I need to do my math real quick. So 60 is 120. This is 140. So 148 diamonds. So I need to do 148 times 4,280. 148 times 4,280. Okay. 148 times 4,280. $633,440. That's how much I have right now. Let's say 1 diamond is worth 15k. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna multiply 148 times 15,000. $2,220,000. Okay. Let's bump down this number a bit then. So 47, 46, 45. 39. 20. 11. Wait, how many do I have? Oh my god. How many do I have to give? 79. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 69? Good grief. I have to give 76 diamonds. Or no, 67 diamonds. Whoops. So that's 64. 1, 2, 3. Done. Is it not time again? Okay, it's not. We're gonna bury it underneath the grave. Now the worst part about this, though, it creates a freaking ghost. There we go. So like, if I ever come back in here in a stream, unknowingly, I open the chest and the ghost is there. Also, 67 diamonds, like 67 times 15,000 is 1,005,000. You're welcome. You have some extra compensation for your death, too. Why was that the stupidest thing I've done? Why? Oh my gosh, man.